Here we are at week 50 of Jory Caron Tries to Acquire the Taste for Persimmons. Not going well so far. I think we're pretty close though, you know? I'm just gonna pray to the magical man in the sky, Santa Claus, to bring me the spirit to get me through this. Bring me a gift, oh Santa Claus. Bring me a gift. And to help, I have a lovely little elf over here. Straight from the North Pole. Let's do this.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Persimmons. I don't care about the presents. I just want some persimmons. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Oh no, I just need some persimmons every single fucking day.
Let's go.
I just want
like
you for
anti-persimmon
my
now.
own.
This is not
Persimmons,
good.
more than you could
Well, like
ever
a different
know.
fruit.
Nom nom nom, make my wish come true.
Like
all I want for Christmas
is pineapple. I'd rather have pineapple. I'd rather have pineapple.
is persimmons.
Oh, this is so bad.